going to be creating a email with an attachment and selecting a doc or whatever file by its ID, and then adding that as an attachment that's going to be converted into a PDF when it's sent out as an email using Google Apps Script. Let's go ahead and we're going to create an email that's going to send an attachment and create a function that's going to be able to manage that functionality. And we need to get the recipient of the email. So that can be any email address. I'm going to be sending it to myself. So I've got an email here that I'm going to be using. You can also get the session user. So using the session, get active user, and then get email. So it's going to give the email of whatever the active user is, or you could use whatever email that you want. We also want a subject. So this is just a regular test email. And then we need a body of the document or body of the email that we're going to be sending. So create a variable called body, and we'll just write hello world testing there. So let's go ahead and we're going to get the attachment, and the attachment that we're getting using the Drive app service. We can get the file by ID. So we're selecting which file we want to use. I've got a doc here that I'm going to be attaching to the email. So opening up the doc, I'm going to grab the ID, and I'll set the ID as a string value within the function. So that will make it easy to update if we need to. So it's going to be grabbing that particular attachment and then using the mail app service, send email, and we want to send the email, the mail method. So it does require some parameters. So one is the recipient, the next one is the subject, and then body. And then you have optional to add in different options. So one of the options is to add attachments, and attachments is going to be an array format. So if you have multiple ones, you would just comma separate them out, and that would add in the attachments. So let's run the code and try it out and see if we're sending the doc as an attachment. So there it is, and it's automatically converted into a PDF and sent in as an attachment to the email address that we're sending it to.